The overall goal of this procedure is to induce the illusion of embodiment of a virtual hand or an avatar.
This method can help answering questions in the field of cognitive psychology, such as to reveal the mechanisms underlying the construction of a mental self. The advantage of this method is that it facilitates the manipulation of factors that are likely to influence perceived body ownership or perceived agency over virtual effectors or other body parts. Note that we demonstrate only the generic parts of the procedure. Other conditions can be found in the published paper.
Generally, individuals might struggle with this technique due to the high need for equipment and programming skills. Therefore, we recommend those people to use a less technical version of our study, such as the rubber hand illusion.
Begin by counterbalancing and running the experimental conditions, synchrony versus asynchrony, between real hand movements and virtual hand movements. Configure the system to a specific time delay or virtual object based on the condition. Connect the cables of the data glove and orientation tracker to the computer and start the virtual reality programming environment by clicking the Run button in the virtual reality environment interface to start the pre-written command script. Then, escort the participant into the testing room and ask them to put the data glove on his or her right hand and the orientation tracker on the right wrist. Next,